to download songs from Suno AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download songs from Suno AI. You will only be able to download the song from Suno AI that you have created yourself. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in suno.com. This is the official URL of Suno AI. Once you have entered the keyword, press on enter to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Suno AI. Here, you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will be presented with this homepage on your screen. In this homepage, at the left side, you will be able to see some options. Go ahead and click on this library option, and here you will be able to see the songs that you have created. From here, you will need to find the one that you would like to download. Once you find one, you will need to simply click on this three dots icon at the right side of that song and a pop-up will appear. From here, you will be able to see the download option. Hover your cursor over this download option and then you will be presented with two different options, whether to download the audio or video. Since we are downloading a song, you can also select this audio option. Once you click on this audio option, it will start downloading now. You will be able to see the download icon at the top right of your browser. Once it has been downloaded, you can simply double click on it, or you may also open your file explorer and there locate this file. You may also play the song once it has been downloaded. So by following these steps, you should be able to download songs from Suno AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.